Hello everyone, we are back with another good question. Let's take a quick look at our question. To solve this question, you must know the rules of order operation. We'll code this as PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses, A stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division. A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. We have one more feature here. There is no order between multiplication and division. Operations are performed from left to right. Similarly, addition and subtraction operations are performed from left to right. Let's apply this rule to our question. What operations are there? Parentheses, subtraction, exponent, addition, parentheses, addition, exponent. What should be the first? Of course, we'll solve the parentheses. The first parenthesis, 6 minus 3 equals 3, 2 power. Plus, second parenthesis, 3 plus 6 equals 9, 2 power. Now, let's calculate the exponents. 3 to second power is 3 times 3, plus 9 to second power is 9 times 9. Now, let's find the result of the multiplication. 3 times 3 equals 9, plus 9 times 9 equals 81. Finally, addition. 9 plus 81 equals 90. We solved the solution in detail. I hope you understand. We've reached the end of our video. Solve the question on the screen. Write your answer in the comments section. Let's see who gets the correct answer. You can subscribe for new videos by clicking the logo on the screen. You can also check out my other videos in the sections on the sidebar. See you in the next video.